Billy apes have laid the groundwork for a rich tapestry of scientific inquiry and exploration. The tales of their strength, size, and unusual behaviors have captured the imaginations of many, leading to a growing body of research that continues to uncover the secrets of these remarkable animals. Later, scientific exploration. One of the key figures in the exploration of the Billy apes was Swiss wildlife conservationist Dr. Carl A. Ammon. In 1996, Ammon ventured into the Billy forest, spurred by local legends and the desire to uncover the truth behind these mysterious creatures. His expeditions were groundbreaking, as he was among the first to conduct extensive field research in this remote area. Ammon carefully collected evidence, including large footprints, droppings, and other signs that was a series of large footprints he found, which appeared to be much bigger than those of an average chimpanzee. Ammon documented his observations and shared them with fellow researchers, fueling speculation about the existence of a unique population of chimpanzees in the region. In 2003, the exploration took a significant turn when primatologist Dr. Shelley Williams joined Ammon in the field. Williams was particularly interested in the behavior and ecology of the Billy apes. Her expedition into the forest provided the first scientific observation of these elusive creatures. Williams noted that the apes displayed unusual behaviors, such as building nests on the ground rather than in trees, a characteristic more commonly associated with gorillas. This observation was pivotal, as it suggested that the Billy apes might have adapted their behavior to the unique environment traits. The results confirmed that the Billy apes are indeed a population of eastern chimpanzees, but their larger size and distinctive behaviors set them apart. As scientific exploration of the Billy apes continued, researchers began to notice additional behaviors that distinguished them from other chimpanzee populations. For instance, the Billy apes were observed using tools to obtain food, a behavior that is characteristic of chimpanzees in general. However, the specific tools they used and the methods they employed appeared unique to this population, suggesting a level of cultural adaptation that warranted further study. Billy apes' characteristics. The thick underbrush and challenging terrain of the Billy forest have contributed to the Billy apes remaining largely hidden from human eyes for many years, allowing them to thrive in relative seclusion. These remarkable creatures have captured the imagination of both scientists, gives the Billy apes a more robust and slightly gorilla-like look, which has led local tribes to dub them lion killers. This nickname stems from the belief that these powerful apes can fend off large predators like lions and leopards. The diet of the Billy apes is as diverse as their physical attributes. They are opportunistic eaters, enjoying a variety of forest foods that include African giant snails, tortoises, and even small antelope. What truly surprises researchers is their occasional predation on leopards, a behavior that is exceedingly rare among primates. This adaptability in their diet showcases their resourcefulness and ability to thrive in a challenging environment, where food sources can be unpredictable. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Billy apes is their nesting behavior. Unlike most chimpanzees, who prefer to build their nests high up in trees for safety, Billy highlights their intelligence and problem-solving skills. While tool use is common among chimpanzees, the Billy apes' preference for larger tools may be linked to their size and strength, allowing them to manipulate their environment effectively. The history of the Billy apes is steeped in mystery and rich local folklore. For generations, indigenous tribes in the Congo basin have passed down stories about these giant apes, describing them as powerful and fearless creatures capable of challenging the fiercest predators in their territory. For a long time, these tales were dismissed as mere myths, akin to legends of Bigfoot or the Yeti. However, recent scientific discoveries have provided tangible evidence of the Billy apes' existence, transforming what was once considered folklore into a subject of serious study. Colin Groves's analysis. Colin Groves, a distinguished biologist and anthropologist, is renowned for its habitat for a variety of wildlife. For many years, the billy apes remained largely unstudied, shrouded in local folklore and mystery, until researchers like Groves began to investigate their characteristics more closely. Groves's interest in the billy apes was sparked by their distinctive physical traits and behaviors that set them apart from typical chimpanzees, pan-troglodytes. One of the most notable features of the billy apes is their larger size. Adult males can stand nearly 6 feet tall and weigh over 200 pounds, making them one of the largest known populations of chimpanzees. This size difference has led to speculation about their classification within the chimpanzee family, as most other chimpanzee populations are considerably smaller. Groves questioned whether the billy apes could represent a separate subspecies or even a distinct species altogether. In his analysis, suggesting that a detailed examination of their skulls and skeletal structures could provide crucial insights into their evolutionary history and relationships with other ape species. Another significant aspect of Groves's work was his examination of the behaviors exhibited by the billy apes. He noted that they display some unique habits that differ from other chimpanzee populations. For instance, the billy apes are known for their ground nesting behavior, which is more typical of gorillas than chimpanzees. Most chimpanzees build their nests high in trees to protect themselves from predators, but billy apes often construct their nests on the forest floor. This behavior raises questions about their adaptation strategies and the ecological pressures they face in their habitat. Groves suggested that the billy apes' size and strength may allow them to nest on the ground with less risk than smaller chimpanzees, further distinguishing them from other chimpanzee populations. In addition to their physical and behavioral traits, Groves emphasized the importance of cultural perceptions surrounding the billy apes. For many years, local tribes in the Congo basin have shared stories of these giant apes, often describing them as powerful and fearless creatures capable of standing against large predators. These legends, while considered folklore by many, have contributed to the mystique of the billy apes and have influenced the way scientists approach their study. Groves recognized that understanding local narratives is essential for a holistic view of the billy apes, as it shapes both conservation efforts and scientific inquiry. The conservation of the billy apes and their habitat is another critical aspect of Groves's analysis. The billy forest faces numerous threats, including deforestation, illegal logging, and their habitat are safeguarded for future generations, has influenced how researchers approach the study of primates in the wild. By advocating for a comprehensive understanding of the billy apes, Groves has contributed to a broader conversation about primate diversity and the need for ongoing research in the field of conservation biology. Typical chimpanzee characteristics. To know more about the billy apes, first we need to know a little about chimpanzees. Chimpanzees, scientifically known as pan-troglodytes, are remarkable creatures found primarily in the forests of Central and West Africa. They belong to the great ape family, along with gorillas, orangutans, and humans, sharing about 98% of our DNA. Chimpanzees have been extensively studied for their complex social life. Chimpanzees are highly social animals, living in communities led by an alpha male who maintains order and settles disputes within the group. Females also play important roles in the social structure, forming strong bonds with each other and cooperating in childcare. These communities can range in size from as few as 20 individuals to over 100, depending on food availability and habitat conditions. One of the most fascinating aspects of chimpanzee behavior is their use of tools. They have been observed using sticks to fish for termites or ants, using stones to crack nuts, and even fashioning leaves into makeshift sponges to soak up water. This tool use demonstrates their ability to problem solve and adapt to their environment, showcasing a level of intelligence previously thought to be unique to humans. In terms of communication, chimpanzees have a diverse